Hello friends and welcome to Collective Content channel. I am so happy that you found my channel. I make videos on diversified content from online money making to health, fitness, lifestyle, motivation to education. Please do hit that subscribe button down below in appreciation and turn on bell notifications so you don't miss any of my amazing videos. National French Fry Day on July 13th recognizes a staple food on menus across the United States. French fries were originally known as French fried potatoes in the US. By the 1930s, the potatoes was dropped. Let us enjoy the French fries making compilation. Thank you for watching my video. Subscribe for more awesome content each and every single week. Also be sure to leave a like, share with your friends and comment what you thought down below.